This video reviews the process of how to review the operator checklist by all records and the summary. Mechanics, leads, supervisors, controllers, and senior controllers have permissions for this process. In the Bus Operator Checklist All Records screen, enter the equipment number and click Run or hit the Enter key on the keyboard. By double-clicking on any line, the user can choose to view any of the following screens for the selected record: Asset, Follow-up Work Order, or Review Operator Checklist. Once the user has selected any of these links, to navigate back to the Bus Operator Checklist All Record View screen, click Close on the selected screen. This concludes the review. Thank you for watching.